I'm a big fan of cheesy nachos, but I am not a fan of buying shredded cheese at the store. So I found out about this Rotary cheese grater. Definitely wanted to check it out. Let's pull it out of the container here. We've got the instructions on how to set it all up. We've got the hand crank for the leverage. We've got the main unit itself that does all the, keeps everything together and does all the work. Looks like we have a couple of different cutters here that can be used for different types of shredding. We're going to go with a large shred for these nachos. And then we've got the base, and the base has a strong suction cup at the bottom. Looks like it locks right in and it can be released. That's handy. Looks like the cheese or the shredded stuff comes out at a downward angle, so you're not fighting anything. These go in and insert pretty simply. This comes in on the handle and inserts just like this. Locks into place with that same kind of lock. That's pretty handy. You can set it on a smooth surface and click the lock, and now it's locked into place. I'm going to go pause here for a moment and wash everything off. A couple of things I've noticed already is that the handle is nice and long, so we got plenty of leverage. This is a protective scoop. And then we've got the cheese. We'll break off a chunk of cheese here, drop it into the chute, start pushing down, and like that, we've got shredded cheddar cheese right off the block, and none of that extra stuff that we don't want in packaged shredded cheese. Now we can make some nachos. To clean it, we can just release the top part from the base, release the handle, and then take this to the sink to clean. There's really just 3 parts to clean. I want to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.